Good morning, teacher and my fellow friends. Today I'm here with my group members Chu Chun Sing, Xia Hui En, and Pa Hui Ying to present a speech called River Pollution is Getting Worse. Do you know what is river pollution? River pollution is a form of water pollution which refers to the introduction of different chemicals and other pollutants such as sewage, trash, and toxic waste. River pollution is also the contamination of water bodies of rivers, usually as a result of human activities. River pollution results when contaminants are introduced into the natural environment. Why river pollution is getting worse? River pollution is getting worse due to human activities. For convenience, human is the one that throw rubbish into the drain and river which lead to the drain and the river blockage happen. We can see that some of the factory emphasize cost savings, hence they discharge sewage from the factory which cause the river become dirty and contaminated. Besides that, use of harmful pesticide will also cause the river getting worse. It is because of excessive harmful pesticides like farm effluent, farm sewage were flowing into the river. Hence, the river is full of harmful pesticide and it is poison. Next, we got some example pictures of the causes of river pollution. The first picture is trash. It may cause the drain and the river blockage, and the second picture that may cause the river pollution, which is chemical. It may cause the water in the river is undrinkable. Then, the third one is farm effluent that cause the river become poison. So, Jinseng, can you show us the percentage of causes of river pollution?
Sure, Hao Chen. The percentage of causes of river pollution is shown in pie chart form. First, we can see that the first cause of river pollution, which is trash, occupies 60% in the pie chart. The rest causes are farm effluent and chemical occupies 20% and 15% respectively. For other causes of river pollution occupy 5% in the pie chart. Nowadays, the happen of river pollution has given a lot of effects. We know that rivers are integral both to human society and to the wider environment. The pollution of those rivers can cause a range of adverse effects to plant, animal, and human life. Besides that, the riverine ecosystem both accumulates and transport pollution, concentrating organic and inorganic pollutants in ways that damage flora, fauna, and human health, as well as transporting them ultimately to the sea. Next, we have some photos for examples of the effect of river pollution. The first photo is water shortage. This effect normally happens in countries with poor living conditions. For example, in countries which is Africa and India. Then, the second photo is aquatic creature. The aquatic creature will be polluted and human society will not be able to obtain resources from the river. Soon after, aquatic creatures will be completely extinct if river pollution was unresolved. Moreover, the third photo is disease. If humans eat fish that live in polluted rivers or use water from polluted rivers, humans will get diseases because of bacteria and viruses in the river. Humans get diseases, it might cause death or permanent injury. Hui-en, have any kind of program that was held before to save the river?
Of course, Chun. In Malaysia, 5% of our river basins are severely polluted and 42% are polluted, leaving only 53% of all rivers classified as clean. The lack of education and awareness of the general public about our water resources, how they are being managed and how they should be managed is a key factor that has led to the current state of Malaysia's overall water quality. Another important factor is the lack of skill for genuinely interested people to take action in river management. GEC is committed to provide a better understanding about the importance of our rivers and appreciate the value of them. Therefore, we established a river care programs RCP focusing on promoting community participation in rivers and water resource protection and sustainable use through the civic science approach. We work closely with all stakeholders in solid waste management and water and river management and believe that everyone has a role to play in environment. Objectives of the river care program are protect, conserve, and promote living rivers and their biodiversity, promote restoration and rehabilitation of rivers and other water bodies, raise awareness and educate all stakeholders about river care, promote civic consciousness and local action through river monitoring and mapping, support capacity building and networking of individuals, communities, and organizations in river management. In Malaysia, there is a government agency responsible for managing the cleanliness of the environment. That is Department of Environment. Department of Environment is a Malaysia government agency tasked with administering issues related to the environment and monitoring the enforcement of activities related to flora and fauna. The role of Department of Environment in protecting the river are preparation of action plan for sewage management and restoration of water quality in aquatic resources by state governments, installation of online effluent monitoring system to check the discharge of effluent directly into the rivers and water bodies, setting up of monitoring network for assessment of water quality. Action to comply with effluent standards is taken by SPCBS or PCCS to improve the water quality of the rivers. Issuance of direction for implementation of zero liquid discharge.
In addition to government organization mentioned by Hui En, non-governmental organization also taken some actions. There is a non-governmental organization called the Global Environment Center, GEC. The Global Environment Center was established in 1998 and the center is registered as a non-profit organization in Malaysia. They are committed to solve the environmental problems of global importance. They identify the stakeholders in Sungai Penchala Basin and inform them about the program. They want to conduct pilot river rehabilitation activity with stakeholders, it is local residents and community groups at selected sites. It is because GEC have to improve the discharge quality from the sewage treatment and waste management facilities. They create the handbook outlining BMP for pollution prevention and river restoration. Next, this is a writing topic about river pollution. You attend a talk by a government official from the Department of Environment, which were recently organized by your school. The following comment was made by the speaker. River pollution is getting worse. Write an essay expressing your opinion on the statement. Write at least 250 words. Then, this is the situation of your group discussion. There is an increasing concern about the river pollution. Nowadays, we can see that the river pollution is getting worse. In your group, discuss the ways to control the river pollution. Here are the 3 ways to control the river pollution. First is avoid releasing untreated sewage. Second, avoid releasing construction waste. And the last is avoid releasing harmful chemicals and oils. That's all our presentation. Thank you.